Hi, in this episode we will talk briefly about roller clip bits manufacturing. Hey, what are you doing?
Manufacturing.
Please go and manufacture elsewhere. Go! Roller comb bits are made up of many components. These components are manufactured separately and assembled to form the bit. Milltooth bits and TCI structures are almost the same. The cones, however, which are the three conical parts of the bit, are manufactured differently. For milltooth bits, steel blocks are machined to form the cones. The cones are further milled to form the bit teeth. As shown here, you can see how the machining of the bit teeth is done to produce good quality and sharp corners. After machining is done, a hard-facing material is adhered to the bit teeth to improve the cutter's abrasion resistance. For TCI bits, the cones undergo boring process. Boring creates the slots where the cutters will be fitted later. The insert diameter is slightly bigger than the bored hole diameter to ensure adequate grip around the insert.